These are the RGB lights from Neewer, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how they work. These are easy to use lights for creators, and that's why I picked them up. They come with a little app. I'm going to show you what I'm doing on my app screen. Right now, I have this in my group mode. So I select my group, and you can choose your light source, whether you want it to model a halogen or studio, or the different types of lights. Or if you have an overhead light like I have here, we can go and we can match the source so that my lights will match that. We have to where we can change the colors if we want to play with the colors of it. If you don't want to really play with dialing your colors in, you have a color picker to where I've got something over here that's blue, so let's pick that. Or if I wanted to pick the color of the green that's right here behind me, I can go and I can select the green, and they light up green. It also comes with effects. So if I wanted to come over here and choose an effect like lightning, we have that. We can speed it up, make it a little bit faster. We can turn the brightness down so it looks like it's a little more in the distance. We have all these cool little effects here. Let's see, we got the little different color fading. We can have a party. Fireworks. Let's see, one more action there. There. It even has a music mode to where it picks up sound and the light goes with the sound. As you can see, it's going with my voice. Overall, it's pretty simple lights. You can control them individually or you can set them up in groups. These are really going to help me with my videos, and I'm excited to put them to use. That's the Neewer lights. Let's turn them off.